What's going on, everybody? Happy Wednesday to you. I'm sitting here doing my thing. We had a break of the opening range, sweep of liquidity to the downside. I took 2 calls whenever we hit this down point around this red candle. I seen it bouncing off of the VWAP, so I'm waiting for 621 to come around. Then I'll sell these contracts. They're up like 27 bucks right now. So they were at one point up $60, but I had to load up my camera to take this video for you. So we're going to just wait for a minute. We are bullish. I've made a rule that I will never trade short in a bullish trend. There's a rule that says the trend is your friend. So right now I'm just waiting, watching the level 2 right here. You'll see the pending buy and sell orders. Huge orders on the buy side, of course, raises the stock price. Huge sell orders, of course, drops the stock price. It's logical. I had a buddy saying, "Oh, I want to get into the stock market." And I was like, dude, don't do that to yourself. Shit's hard. It is hard to not just make money, but to preserve the money that you already have. So we have some economic news coming in right now. So I'm just going to sit in this position until we cross back into $21, $6.21. So I'm 50 cents away from what I want to see this break market structure, because we're forming higher highs and lower highs. Higher lows, I mean. You'll see higher high here, higher high here, higher low there, higher low there. We're meeting resistance at 621.30, but my target is going to be anywhere between 621 and 622. So you'll see that the MACD on the 15-minute graph is still red. 5-minute graph on the lower time frame are open. So right now it's just me sitting on my hands waiting for the price to go up to around 621.50. So I'll sit here and wait, drink my coffee. I'm using 0 DTE contracts, and if we ever break out the bottom side of the opening range, that's when I execute a stop loss order. But I'm expecting for price to go back to the liquidity zone at the top, up here around 623, 624. This 1 hour graph is forming what's called a fair value doji. Fuck, this bitch is dropping. Might just take a loss on camera today, but that's alright. Losing is part of winning. Well, no, there's validity to my trade, because look at this. That's a wick to the downside. Wicks mean weakness. When they point in that direction, that means weakness to the downside, which we've had 7 days of bullish activity. So all I need is 80 cents more to the upside, and I'll sell my contracts. I try not to look at these because it's kind of, it mentally fucks with you when you see it go up 60 bucks to minus 11. So I try to just watch the level 2, watch the market structure, and trade like I do in the simulators. Because in the simulator, I have 68% accuracy as of today, which is pretty damn good. But that's all, really, you don't know what the hell is going to happen. I wouldn't say it's guesswork. It has a lot of pattern recognition to go into it, but basically, I'm really good at guessing what's going to happen. I can predict what's going to happen 70% of the time. So right now, just waiting on this to go to 621, and I'm gonna watch, because last time it went to 621 up here, that's when I loaded up my camera. I was like, oh, I'm about to sell this shit, about to get it on video. But this video is actually making me sit in the trade longer, which is pretty cool. So we're dancing around the break of the opening range again. I've been in this position since down here at the bottom of this red candle, which that forms something that's called the power of towers. Usually when you see it come up, it forms the power of towers, it's going to go down. But what I have noticed, and many traders will tell you that this doesn't happen, my stops have been getting hunted, which makes me think the people I learned my strategy from needed exit liquidity. They wanted me to put my stops in certain places. So I instead have been putting my entry where my stops are. My stops used to be. And for the last 4 days in a row, it's been quite a profitable system. Let's make it day 5. So we'll see that the contracts probably are in the money now by $31, $35, 27. And that's the volatility of the options market. You can have a lot of gains, you can have a lot of losses. But the fact of the matter is I'm able to sit through drawdowns. I'm very risk tolerant. You see, I've had a very hard life, and it made me tolerant to risk. I've been in a lot of fights that I didn't have any hope of winning. And you'll see that we just went into the money, 621. So what I'm going to do is take my profits off. Come on. It's really meeting resistance up there. Fucking right when I was about to do it, it dropped by $40. Look at that. Come on, go back up. Quit fucking with me. Go up. All right, up 35, 39. There was one day I bought a $17 call, and it was like way down here, and it was 0 DTE, so it was like 6% away from the money, and I forgot about it. And I look at my Webull at the end of my shift, and that thing was up $174. I was like, hell yeah. So that's basically what got me started in my Webull account. Is I opened this account, and it had $11 from many years ago, and I was like, hell yeah. So that $11, I threw some more money into it, and yeah, I've been doing pretty well. So we're sitting in the money. My max loss in my mind today was going to be about $50. Honestly, I see no reason to exit the trade. We're above the 9 EMA on the 5-minute graph. I'm still just waiting for it to be somewhere around between 621 and 622. If we break this market structure, then that's going to have a lot of people pour their money into it. Come on, give me some momentum. I need it to go up just a little bit more. Because since I was risking $50, I have to make more than $50. Come on, shoot up there. All right, it went into the money. I'm selling for a $49 profit. We'll see that I took this account from $160. It was at $400 the other day, and I cashed out $200 of it. Bought my kid a Christmas present and a new car seat. Then I got myself some groceries. And yeah, this is my 5th winning trade in a row for a total of $45 on the day. Cash balance, settled cash, $20. So that's it. I'm not going to fuck around with it anymore. I did good. Time to close the computer and get on myself. All right, guys, I appreciate whoever watches my channel. And give me that peace.